In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to add a animated watch face or wallpaper on your Apple Watch SE series. To do that, you have to install this Watch Faces app on your iPhone, also on your Apple Watch. So this is a free app. You can just easily install this Watch Faces app from App Store. Once you've successfully installed, open the Watch Faces app and make sure your iPhone connected with internet connection. Here I'm just tapping on this cross icon. So this is a free app, so we have to watch ads to use the app. Okay, in this watch face app you get lots of free watch faces. You can select any of the watch faces. So all you have to need to scroll up all the way to the top and select the search icon and search for animated. After searching using animated, here you get lots of animated watch face. You can easily add any of the animated watch face to your Apple Watch SE. You just select the watch face and here you have to tap on install watch face, and now you have to watch ads. Now close the watch, and here the watch face will add or install on your Apple Watch app. Just tap on continue, tap on done, and we can see the watch face successfully installed on my Apple Watch face library. And here we can see the animated watch face successfully applied on my Apple Watch. So that's how you can actually go ahead and easily add any animated watch face.